Hi guys, it's my 22 by 22 size garage and I have a big Max Mr. Heater. It's an 80,000 BTU unit powered by natural gas. So having issues since a while. The issue was it works sometime not. So I decided to check it out. Then went through some YouTube videos and gave me some idea. So some of the idea was maybe a loose contact or maybe the pressure switch which is fed through the hose from that vent. So I went through everything and pretty much everything was looking good, but when I wiggled the wires sometimes it came on, so realized there may be a loose contact or something. Went through everything, couldn't find. Then I checked the igniter, flame sensors and the limit switch, etc. Couldn't find anything. So finally I figured out it was the soldering right behind that connector. 4 legs are soldered to the printed circuit board. Some of the soldering was bad, so it's good now. Then I had another issue because it's an 80,000 BTU. The fan is big and very powerful, so it was shaking the whole unit. So I was thinking, what is the remedy for that? Let me see what I did. So this fan was shaking the whole unit and making a lot of noise through that vent, and outside the neighbors started complaining even. So I put a steel frame like that. Then I put a hose connector to tightening over the fan. So sounds like and seems like it's working now. Let me turn on and see. Let's turn on the power back to the unit. Yeah, always try to turn off the power when you work on electricity, and turn off the natural gas line. So let's adjust the thermostat. Yeah, it's coming on. Yeah, sounds like it is working. Apart from that jerking noise in the beginning, it seems like it's working quietly. Nice table fan. I hope it will stay like this, and if not, I might need to go for another troubleshoot of sound problems. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it will help some guys to reduce the noise and troubleshooting